Indian iron ore industry has witnessed growth in terms of production, exports and prices. Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's have a quick recap of key developments in H1 FY24 in this latest vlog. Iron ore production increased by over 15% year-on-year to around 129 million ton in H1 FY24 compared with 111.5 million ton in the corresponding period of last fiscal year. Odisha retained its position as the leading iron ore producing state in India with 70 million ton, an increase of 14% year-on-year from 61.6 million ton in the year ago period. Chhattisgarh, which accounts for 15% of total production, managed to raise output by nearly 10% year-on-year in H1 to around 19.2 million ton, while Karnataka increased production by nearly 30% year-on-year to around 19 million ton. Jharkhand, on the other hand, saw production increasing by 7% on the year to around 12 million ton in the period under review. The country's leading miner NMDC raised production by a significant 21% year-on-year to around 19.5 million ton. Growth was particularly significant from the PSU's Karnataka mines. This was followed by Tata Steel, SAIL and OMC with 19 million ton, 16 million ton and 15 million ton respectively. Maharashtra-based Lloyds Metals and Energy witnessed the sharpest growth of 290% year-on-year in production in H1, thanks to the 10 million ton per year EC it received in March 2023. Production in the period reached around 5.8 million ton compared with just 1.5 million ton in H1 FY23. Rungta Mines too increased production sharply by over 50% to 8.2 million ton. India's iron ore production has increased parallelly with rising crude steel output. Production rose significantly year-on-year in H1 of this fiscal due to a low base last fiscal, thanks to the impact of 50% export duty on iron ore of all grades in the first 3 quarters of FY23. So, higher exports in H1 and production from Karnataka increasing by nearly 30% after the lifting of curbs on sales and exports by the Supreme Court boosted overall production. India's iron ore and pellet exports have almost trebled to 18.6 million ton in H1 FY24 from 6.9 million ton in the same period of last fiscal, while iron ore exports were recorded at 14.7 million ton. Pellet exports stood at nearly 4 million ton. Out of the total 14.7 million ton of iron ore exports, China alone accounted for 14.5 million ton. Similarly, over 87% of India's pellet exports went to China. Total pellet exports to China stood at around 3.4 million ton. Indonesia and Malaysia were the other Asian neighbors which sourced iron ore and pellets from India, although volumes were no match to those of China's. Vedanta and Rungta mines were the leading exporters of iron ore in H1 FY24 with volumes assessed at around 2.9 million ton and 2.7 million ton respectively. JSW Steel too exported around 1 million ton of iron ore in the period under review. On the other hand, Rungta and state-owned KIOCL were the top exporters of pellets at 1.2 million ton and 0.8 million ton respectively. BRPL and AMNS India were the other leading pellet exporters. Iron ore imports to India witnessed an increase from 0.23 million ton in H1 FY23 to 2.17 million ton in H1 FY24. Cost-effective landed cost of imports for coast-based mills resulted in imports largely from Australia and Brazil. Now, let's talk about some key iron ore price and its trend in H1 FY24. Steelmint's weekly Odisha Fe 62% index rose to INR 5063 per ton ex mines in H1 FY24 compared to INR 4085 per ton in the same period last year. Steelmint expects India's iron ore production to increase to 275 to 285 million ton in FY24 from over 255 million ton in the preceding fiscal, an increase of around 10% year-on-year. Share of exports of iron ore and pellets are likely to be around 32 to 35 million ton. Steelmint estimates country's iron ore consumption to rise from around 215 million ton in last fiscal to around 230 million ton in FY24. For more such updates, stay tuned to www.steelmint.com.